What's up YouTube, Pollina Racing here with another awesome video. Today we're gonna be working on my body right here, F30 335i. We're gonna be painting the V-brace, it's right behind it. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to do it, what to remove, and what tool you need to use to do it so you can do it at home. Coming up. So first thing first, you gotta remove the rubber
Weather strip.
right there, and then we're gonna start removing all the bolts. These are T
30.
Torx 30 and this one is a T20 Torx, so it's something like this. Okay, so T30, T20, all the way on the other side to take out the whole bumper. Okay, so to remove the grills, you have to lose the bumper on top. Once it's loose, you're gonna be able to reach the clamps or the clips that are behind it. And the clips, the way that they came out, you press the middle and pull outside. Same with all of them. You're gonna have 3, 6, 7, 8 per grill. Okay, and once they are out, you are able to reach the V-brace over here. Okay. So we decided to do the wrap on the V-brace without taking out the bumper. We already did once, as you can see. It's a little uncomfortable. If you take out the bumper, it's more comfortable, but we don't, we don't have too much time to do it, so we're just gonna wrap it with the bumper on. As you can see the difference right now. Okay. Now we're gonna do this one. So we already put back all the bolts for the bumper. Now we're gonna put the grill. It looks amazing, guys. Look at that. It looks very nice. So now let's put the grill. There we go, guys. It's completely done. You can see now the red V-brace on the back. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please hit that like button over there. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button over there so you don't miss any of my content. And yeah, it looks very nice. It's very easy, very simple to do. I hope you can do it yourself with this video. So yeah, see you on the next video, guys. Wow.